We are live.
Welcome
All right.
back, everybody.
We are on page 423. Lesson 20, session 3.
423.
Page 423.
There we go.
All right, so we're working. Yesterday we worked on adding fractions. Now we are subtracting them. I probably should get out of the way of the camera, right? So we're subtracting fractions today. So our warm-up. 1/10 more than 5/10 is what? Raise your hand, please. Nolan? 6/10 is 1/10 more than 5/10. 1/10 less than 5/10 is what, Sid? 4/10. Congratulations, you just subtracted fractions from today. Nice try.
I can do it. Yeah.
So our first question: Alberto's water bottle has 5/6 of a liter of water in it. He drinks 4/6 of a liter. What fraction of a liter of water is left in the water bottle? Get working on it. You have 3 minutes.
So it's just like adding. You don't have to.
And another one. Remember this is live, guys.
It is? Wait, we're live? Dawn. I thought this was a video.
It's just recording. It's okay. We're being paid right now, so it works.
I still want my money.
All right, yeah, good. Get to work, please.
I don't think
Hey.
I'm gonna do this.
Okay, just sit there and quietly go to the one. I think so. What are we doing? Shh, Lucas. All right. So, Alberto, what are we doing here?
Subtracting.
We're subtracting, right? He has 5/6. He drinks 4/6. We're gonna figure out how much is left, right? So you're doing 5/6 minus 4/6. What is 5/6 minus 4/6, Cole?
1/6, because 5 minus 4 equals 1.
And you leave the sixes alone because they're a common denominator, right? It is 1/6. So they have 1/6 left over. How could you have done this? Amelia, what's one way you could have done this problem?
5, 6, 4, 6.
5/6 minus 4/6. What else could you have done? Orion? No, you wouldn't have been doing any adding. Jake?
A number line.
Could have done a number line, right?
Yeah.
Could have put 5/6 down. You could have done something like this, right? We can't use that, can we? Highlighter it is. So we have 0, 1, right?
Yes.
Breaking it into how many pieces?
6.
Why 6?
Because the denominator is 6.
The denominator is 6.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 pieces, right?
Yes.
So we have 5/6. We have right here at 5/6, right? And we're going back. We're going subtracting, right? So we're gonna go to the
We're going to go backwards.
go back or back to the left, right? Closer to 0. We're gonna go how many times back?
Only 4.
4, because there's 4/6 back, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. We're left right here. What's that fraction?
It is 1/6.
1/6.
Wow.
Could have done the number line. What else could you have done? Caden?
Diagram?
Yeah, you could draw like a model or a diagram, right? A picture.
Yeah.
Say, I have my water bottle, right? Oh, that's a terrible water bottle. Right, my water bottle. We have, what are we going to break the water bottle into? 6 pieces, right?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So there's 5/6 of water in it. So we fill it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're taking away how many 6 of it? We're drinking how much? 4. So we're going to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But I wouldn't erase my line, my red lines, right? So there'd be a red line here, red line here. How much do I have left?
1/6.
Does that make sense? So you could have done a model, you could have done a number line, or you could just do
Yeah.
5 minus 4 is 1, 6 to stay across. That's the fastest way, isn't it?
Yeah. I did.
Any one of those ways work, right?
Yeah.
So let's flip it over.
It's a water bottle.
You can use, oh, look at here.
The same thing
I'm like telepathic. Like I didn't look at the book at all before this lesson started.
Change your YouTube name to Telepathic.
It's like my last name too. See, that's like really cool.
Telepathic.
Start calling me Tele.
Telepathic.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah. No. He's sick.
Come on. All right, you can use a picture to help you understand the problem. So each part is 1/6, right?
Yeah.
How do we know each part is 1/6?
Because there's 6 parts and they're equal.
There's 6 parts and equal, right?
Yes.
Why would I choose to break the water bottle into 6? Please raise your hands, though. Madison, why would I choose to break the water bottle into 6 pieces? You know why? Alexis, can you help her? Why would I choose to break the water bottle into 6 pieces? The denominator was 6. The bottom number is 6, right? But are you going to have a book telling you to an M step? No. So you got to be able to figure it out. So you have break 6 pieces. You start off with 5/6, right?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? You have 5. You take away 4 of them, right? So this is the drawing of 4. So you take away those 4. What do you have left?
1.
1, 6. So you have 1/6 left over, right?
Yes.
Or, gosh, I'm good. They use the opposite colors to me though. I use blue and red. They use red and blue.
That was me though that did that.
It was you that suggested it.
I was
I'm
gonna
not drunk.
say it.
So you do have a number line, right? You put 5/6 on there. And you subtract 4/6. Now, does it matter which number you put on the number line first?
No. Yes. Actually, yes. Yes.
For subtraction, does it matter?
No. Yes, it does because you can't take a little number away from a big number.
I couldn't mark.
If you take.
What if I did this? I mark 4/6 and then take 5/6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's an improper fraction.
It'd be negative.
Yes. Improper fraction. Negative.
So you can't do it, can you?
No.
Does order matter in subtraction?
Yes.
Does order matter in addition?
No.
Because remember we said yesterday addition didn't matter which one we started off with, right?
Yes.
Does subtraction matter?
Yes.
Yes. So you gotta make sure you put the bigger number on the number line and then count backwards. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
One more reason to prove that subtraction, the order matters. So you number line, you put 5/6 on it. You start at 5/6 and count back 4/6 to subtract 4/6, right? You wind up at
1/6.
1/6.
That's crazy.
And picture it. Why does 1/6 represent one of the equal parts of the liter? Why does 1/6 represent one part? Amelia?
It represents it because like there's 6 parts, but one is shaded in.
So each one, this is only 1/6 because it's broken into how many parts?
6.
6. It's 1 out of.
6.
Because it's 1 out of 6, right?
But we can't start the sentence with because.
It is 1 out of 6. You've been talking Miss Hearing too much.
She teaches me.
She's got you now. Yeah. What do the numerators 5 and 4 tell you? What do they tell you, Caden?
That Alberto and that he drinks.
How much he had and how much he drank, right? How many sixths? He had, and how much he drank. How many sixths of a liter are left in the bottle after Alberto drinks 4 6?
1 6.
1 6, right? Now, if I was to complete the equation to show what fraction of liters left in words, I do 5 6 minus 4 6 equals
1 6.
1 6. Then you use fractions. 5 6 minus 4 6 equals.
1 6.
Explain how you use subtraction, or how do you subtract fractions with the same denominator. How do you do it, Cole? What did you do?
I did 5 minus 4.
You subtracted the what?
The denominator.
The numerator. Subtract the numerators. The numerators. This is really easy, isn't it?
Can we do something harder?
It'll get there next week.
Really? Yeah, what? What are we doing next week?
What should be like 6
Don't worry
minus 7? Wait. Oh.
That decomposing fraction was gonna stop. Alright. I think tomorrow's lesson is a little bit tougher, but you'll be fine.
Yeah.
It's not that hard. It really isn't.
I'm gonna see what it is.
Skip number 6. Number 7, 8, and 9
Is our homework? No.
is yours.
Don't need a proper outro.
I'm gonna give you I'll give you 7 minutes. We're gonna go over it, alright? Actually, you know what? We'll go over it right now. It's really simple. Literally, it'll take 2 seconds. Carmen, do it right now then. Carmen has 8/10 of a lawn left to mow. She mows 5/10 of the lawn. Now what fraction does she have left? What am I doing here?
Subtracting.
I'm subtracting what?
You're subtracting 8/10 from 5/10.
I'm taking 8/10 away from 5/10.
No, I meant something else.
5 tenths away from 8.
I'm taking 5/10 away from 8/10.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
So we're doing 8/10 minus 5/10. 8 minus 5 is
3/10.
is that the lowest terms?
Yeah, no.
Does 3 and 10 share any factors?
Yes. No.
What are the factors of 3?
5.
Factors.
2.
2 is a factor of 3.
1.
1 and 3. It's prime, isn't it? What are the factors of 10?
2 and 3.
2, 5, 1, 10. Do they share any factors besides 1? No, so that's in lowest terms, right?
Yes.
Any questions on that?
No.
Simple. Number 8. Mrs. Kirk has 3/4 of a carton of eggs. She uses some of it for baking and has 2/4 of a carton left. What fraction of the carton does she use? So she starts off with what? 3/4. She has 2/4 left. We gotta figure out how much she uses, right? What are we gonna do to solve for that?
Lowest two.
We're gonna subtract, right? So subtract 3/4 from.
2.
Now I heard you say 2/4 is on lower terms, right?
Yes.
But are we gonna change it right now? Are we gonna change it right now?
Yes.
Why would you? Why wouldn't you? What do you need to have the subtractor add?
A common denominator.
Do we have a common denominator right now?
Yeah.
So should we change it?
No.
No. Leave it alone. We have it. 2/4 and 3/4 are both common. So leave it alone for right now. 3 minus 2 is 1. 4. You got 4, right? Is it in lowest terms?
Yes.
Yeah. If the numerator is 1, guess what it's in?
Lowest term.
It's in lowest terms, right? The only factor of 1 is 1.
Yeah.
This next one makes no sense.
Yes, it does. Bad Roo reads 4/8 of a book. How much of the book does he have left?
4/8.
How do we know? There's only one number up there, though.
Yeah, 4 plus 4 equals 8, and then he needs to read the whole book.
He's reading the whole book, right? What is the whole? 8 over 8. So he's got to read the whole book. So the whole is 8 out of 8, right?
Yeah.
He's read 4 of those 8s. So 8 out of 8 minus 4 out of 8 equals.
4/8.
Now, is that an answer up there?
Yeah.
Now, did they put it in lowest terms? Can we put this one in lowest terms? What's the factor for each one of them?
4.
4 is the factor for each one, right?
2.
Raise your hand. Can I take a 4 out of each one?
No. Yeah. 2 times.
4 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4. What is 4 divided by 4?
1.
What's 8 divided by 4?
2.
What's it equivalent to?
1.
1/2, right?
Yes.
Now, all you need to know right now is just to subtract it. Remember I said I'll give you an extra credit point each quiz on the quiz if each one's in lowest terms?
Yeah.
That's how you do it. You got to find the factors of each one, and you divide them by the greatest common factor, right? Any questions, comments, concerns?
No.
Those green pages. 3 R's.
Yay.
Virtual kids. Thanks for watching the video. Work on the green pages. We will see you soon.
That is the end of our
Bye, everybody.
As Los would say, actually I really don't care.
Like and subscribe.
Like
and
and
also hit that notification button, but that's not a thing because this is a kid's account.
Boom. Alright guys, you got your green pages. I got to turn this video off.
Do we put them out on the best? Well, you don't know how to turn your own video off.
Sydney, zip it.